Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. We will see the Padacheda first. Yaha imam paramam guhyam madbhakteshu abhidasyati bhaktim mai param kritva mam eva eshyati asamshayah. So here Bhagavan Shri Krishna, in the previous verses till now, we have seen that Bhagavan Shri Krishna was giving Upadesha to Arjuna of the Atma Jnanam, of the Brahman, of the Paramatman, which is said to be the very secret of all the secrets. So it is very much secret. Secret, like as in the previous shloka we have seen, that even it is before you and you will not be able to know it. So it is the open secret, like it is in front of you, even though you are not able to understand it. So it's the most secret jnana that Bhagavan Shri Krishna was giving to Arjuna. So here Bhagavan Shri Krishna says, similarly, yaha imam paramam guhyam mad bhakteshu abhidasyati. The one who will give this jnana, who will teach this jnanam to my bhaktas. Who are my bhaktas? Those who are those who are doing their work, all the karma, surrendering to me without any expectation and totally devoted to the Paramatman. To them, the one who is teaching this Atma Jnanam, this the teaching of what, the samvada of what Shri Krishna and Arjuna they had, all these teachings, the one who will teach to my bhakta, the bhakta of Paramatma, bhakta of the Krishna. How? Bhaktim mai param kritva. Thinking that this jnanam, the knowledge that I have about the Paramatma jnanam or the Atma jnanam of the Moksha jnanam, thinking this, that this is a duty of Ishwariya Karyam, this is my duty to teach this to the bhaktas of Krishna. So this is the duty given by, this responsibility is given by me, given to me by Bhagavan Shri Krishna, by Paramatma himself, to teach these teaching to the bhaktas. Thinking this, like this as a duty of Bhagavan Shri Krishna, a duty given by, or a responsibility given by the Bhagavan Shri Krishna himself, I am now giving to its next generation or the next person, and who is also think similar, that it is my duty that I have to go in the path of Bhagavan Shri Krishna, as told by Bhagavan Shri Krishna to the Arjuna. And when this happens, Mameva Eshyati, the person, those who are the person who is teaching and the person who is learning, the Guru Shishya, both the Guru and Shishya will they will attain me, they will attain the Paramatma, they will attain the Moksha. So this is the essence of this shloka. Om Tat Sat.
चंदन है इस देश की माटी, तपोभूमि हर ग्राम है, हर बाला देवी की प्रतिमा, बच्चा बच्चा राम है। विगत 4 दिनों से हमारे विश्वविद्यालय परिसर में श्री राम लीला की धारा का प्रवाह निरंतर प्रवाहमान है और हमारे परम पूज्य गुरुदेव जी और एस व्यासा परिवार का सानिध्य और आशीर्वाद भी हमें निरंतर प्राप्त हो रहा है। आज हम श्री राम लीला के अंतिम चरण पर हैं। आप सभी आमंत्रित हैं आज पंचम दिवस पर, जहां भगवान श्री राम लंका पर विजय प्राप्त करके, अधर्म पर विजय प्राप्त करके अयोध्या नगरी में प्रवेश करने जाते हैं और संपूर्ण अयोध्या हर्षोल्लास के साथ, उमंग के साथ भगवान श्री राम की प्रतीक्षा करता है और सब गाते हैं, मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे। राम आएंगे, आएंगे, राम आएंगे। राम आएंगे आएंगे राम आएंगे। आप सभी सादर आमंत्रित हैं आज के पंचम दिवस पर। धन्यवाद।
As a part of our prayer session today, I would like to take a moment to acknowledge the wonderful efforts of the School of Yogic Sciences students in the recent Viveka Vihar cleanliness drive. Our sincere appreciation goes to the planners who thoughtfully organized this initiative, Gyan Bhaiya and Meera Didi from PhD, as well as to each volunteer who dedicated their time and energy to make it a success. Your commitment to creating a cleaner, more mindful environment is truly inspiring.